Hello and Assalaam Alaikum. My name is Sabeena. Peace and blessings. This is my message for International Women's Day and the World Fair Trade Organization. I am a fair trade entrepreneur and a fair trade ambassador. I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate all female fair trade entrepreneurs, female fair trade producers, female fair trade artisans, female fair trade organisations, female fair trade supporters, and my friends and family around the world. Happy International Women's Day to you all. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank all the inspirational and kind, compassionate women who have supported me in my fair trade journey over the past 13 and a half years. I couldn't have done it without you. I have posted some photographs and information about the ladies who've supported me over the past 13 and a half years. Please click on the blog link below, and yes, thank you so much for watching. Please support all fair trade female entrepreneurs and fair trade organisations, and I hope to record another video for you soon. Don't forget the hashtags She Leads the Way and Break the Bias. Hashtag Break the Bias. Thank you so much for watching, and happy International Women's Day to everybody watching. Take care. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam.